Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Preeti Sharma. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe inside your house. What we are going to make today is it's not a portrait, it's a feeling that's being portrayed, right? It's a painting about love. Its theme is love, and I hope you guys will like it. So let me tell you about the material that I'm going to use today. It's almost the same, similar to the previous video, but for those who have not watched the previous video, I'm going to tell that again. The sheet that we are going to use is this normal chart sheet that we are going to. These are the watercolors that we are going to use in today's video for making that painting. And secondly, what we are going to use is these poster colors from Faber-Castell. These poster colors that we are going to use. Then what we are going to use is brush pens of Camlin. Camlin के brush pens हैं जो हम use करेंगे अपनी painting में. Next thing what I should tell you about is my palette for color blending. And sometimes I also use these crayons that I have, these crayons for few shades. I don't know why, but I use them for few shades. As I said in my previous video that I like using different colors in one portrait, or as wherever I feel the need, I use colors. Like ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मैं एक ही कलर पर टिकी रहूँ. मुझे जहाँ जो शेड मिलता है मैं ले लेती हूँ और मैं यूज़ कर लेती हूँ. तो you guys can also do the same, or there is no need to follow someone. As I said in my previous video, there is no need to follow someone. Do in whatever way you like, in whatever way you want to do. It should always
only be about learning and growing.
Yeah, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. It's right there down below the video, and please do watch the full video. प्लीज़ पूरी वीडियो देखिए और रिजल्ट्स आने तक वेट कीजिए, क्योंकि ये वीडियो लाइक ये पोर्ट्रेट बनाते टाइम ऐसा हो सकता है आपको शुरुआत में लगे कि अरे यार ये क्या है, बट इन द एंड व्हेन यू विल गेट द रिजल्ट्स यू विल बी हैप्पी एंड सेटिस्फाइड. So let's get started with the video. this is the painting that I have made today. It's not a time consuming painting. ये बहुत ही कम टाइम में बन गई है. इसमें इसे बनाने में हार्डली 2 hours लगे होंगे और it's completed. What I love the most about this painting is that I have used different colors in this. Like, it's a rainbow kind of painting. I've not used any kind of skin color while making this painting. आप देख what I love the most about this painting. This painting is based on love theme. As you can see, एक लड़की है, a girl is laying on the bed. एक लड़की है जो बेड पे लेटी हुई है, ये पिलो है आप देख सकते हैं, और a guy is laying on a back, and this is a romantic idea. It's not my idea. I have taken references from somewhere else. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you really liked this video, so please don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. And अगर आपके पास कोई भी queries हैं या कोई भी doubts हैं, अगर आप कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं या फिर कुछ बनाना चाहते हैं, कोई demand है, तो आप comment section में लिख दीजिए. I'll definitely read them and try to work on them. Yeah, that's it for today's videos. Thanks for watching my video. Bye. Take care.